Good morning, children. Here I am with the exercise work and short question answers of mineral and power resources. So, take your pen and paper along with you and carefully note down all the work and listen carefully so there is no confusion in that work. Just like earlier you were having lot of problems you were complaining about, so I hope so that now it will not be there. So first question is, like always, choose the correct answers and fill in the blanks. The first one is, dash is not a variety of iron ore. The answer is B for boy, pyrite. Second, tidal power is not generated in dash. The correct answer is D for dog, Spain, Spain, Spain. Third, CNG is compressed dash gas. The correct answer is A for apple, and that is natural. Then fourth, dash is a non-conventional source of power, and in this question, the two options will come, that is C for cat, and D for dog, water and tides. Okay, now I will repeat it once again for you. First, pyrite. Second, Spain. Third, natural. Fourth, water and tides. Now, true and false. First one is false. Copper is a ferrous metal. No, it is not ferrous, it is non-ferrous metal. And already I have explained you what is the meaning of ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous, the metals which are containing iron, they are called as ferrous, while copper is not containing any iron component, so that is why it is non-ferrous. Then second, manganese is used to color pottery and tiles. True. In India, diamond is mined in Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. True. Anthracite is the finest quality of coal. That is true. The Ganga Valley Corporation is a big multi-purpose project in India. That is true. Then come to the match the column, or you can repeat it, revise it once again. First is false and rest are the true. Then match the columns. In match the columns, bauxite, in front of bauxite, the correct answer is C, Gujarat. Coal, the correct answer is E, West Bengal. Copper, the correct answer is A, Rajasthan. Gold, the correct answer is F, Karnataka. Iron, the correct answer is B, that is Odisha. And then petroleum, the correct answer is Assam. So correct matches are being C for cat, E for elephant, A for apple, F for fan, B for boy, and D for dog. CEAFBD. These are the correct matches. And now fill in the blanks. All minerals have a definite chemical compound composition. Chemical composition. CHEMICAL, chemical composition. Second, mica is a non-metallic mineral. NONMETALIC, non-metallic mineral. Third, uranium is a nuclear fuel. Nuclear fuel. Which type of fuel? Nuclear fuel. The spelling is NUCLEAR. Nuclear fuel. Then fourth, in India, tidal power is harnessed in the Gulf of Kutch. KUCCHA. Kutch. You can write the spelling of Kutch with the help of book also, because different places different spellings are given. Kutch, Gulf of Kutch. It is given in your book. Kutch, Kutch, Gulf of Kutch. So this is your exercise work. Now let us see the short question answers, 10 to 20 words. The first one, what is a mineral ore? The correct answer you can find out on page number 165. And I am dictating, you can write down that rocks containing large quantities of rocks containing large quantities of particular minerals called ores. Called ores. For example, iron ore. Once again I am repeating, rocks containing large quantities of particular minerals are called ores. For example, iron ore. Next question, name the ore of aluminium. Write the names of any 4 countries where it is mined. The correct answer is bauxite. 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 That is the answer of first part. Then you will put full stop. Then from second line you will write the answer of the remaining part, the 4 countries. And you can find out the answer on page number 167 in the table. Australia, Australia, Australia. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Brazil, Brazil, Brazil. And the fourth one is USA. Next, third, what are the different uses of copper? The answer again you will find out on page number 167 in the table. Uses of copper. The first paragraph, first point, uses. Copper is used. Copper is not written there, but you will write copper is used to make electrical wires and appliances because of its high conductivity. It is also used to make alloys like brass, bronze, German silver, etc. Next question. Which are the 4 varieties of coal? The answer you can find out on page number 169. And it is given already in the broad words, broad letters. The first one is anthracite. Number 1, anthracite. Number 2, bituminous. Number 2, bituminous. Number 3, lignite. Number 3, lignite. Number 4, peat. P-E-A-T, peat. Next question. Mention the various uses of natural gas. Page number 170, you can find out the answer, various uses of natural gas. Again, you will write in the points. Number 1, generate electricity. Number 2, used as raw material. Number 3, transport fuel. Number 4, domestic fuel. Number 1, generate electricity. Number 2, raw material. Number 3, transport fuel. Number 4, domestic fuel. So I hope so that you have done this and you revise it carefully, keep it safe so that at the last moment you don't need to ask, ma'am, I don't have this question answers of this chapter. Short exercise. Please keep it safely with you and have a nice day. We'll meet again with the next chapter, next video.